Yeah, hello fam, this is HumbleFx, and today we are talking about how to trade the double top and the double bottom pattern using the ICT concept. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, please do well to give me a subscribe and also give me a like. Please, just right now, give me like this video. It's not too hard. Just click on the like button and also give me a comment on the comment section if you enjoyed this video. All right guys, let us learn how to trade the double top, or I should call it the is it called, yes, the double top pattern. Now this is boom 1000 and we are on a daily time frame. So even though this works actually on both time, whether daily time frame or any time frame, it works very good. But then let us use this time frame as a case study. All right, now let me get my tools right now. Okay, I'm seeing a look at this. We had an intermediary double top here that actually played out. Right now we have the bigger double top that I'm about to form, is yet forming, is about to form. So this thing now, if you are seeing this video right now and maybe you check your chart and you're seeing this forming, then get ready to take an extensive market movement here. Get ready to take a very powerful trade, because this is going to go down. So what am I expecting the market to do? I want the market to go up to that level, that my interest zone. That is a strong supply. All right, there is a very important supply zone. So when that happens, what do we expect then? When that happens, what do we expect again? Let me get my arrow. I'm going to take it to this other zone. This is where I should be taking I should expect TP to happen. All right, this is where I should expect TP to happen. Why am I expecting this place? Okay, even though I need it to come to my order block, which is somewhere here, I need to come to this other block right here. So this is where I should expect my market TP to come. As simple as that, guys. All right, just as simple as that. It's not something that you have to worry about. Just look at this, guys. We should expect the market to go up to this point. Then we had a reverse. Following this level here, we had a zone here, and this is, remember, we are on the day time frame. This is a very massive trade about to form. So stay tuned and don't try to miss this trade. Okay, don't try to miss this market. If you're able to get this analysis today, then you are going to follow us and ride this. Then what do you take as your stop loss? Your stop loss should be just a bit above that high at the left. That is going to be your stop loss. Okay, but I bet that stop loss is not going to hit. So this is going to be your first TP, right? My line is going to be your first TP. All right, that's going to be your TP. Okay, but if you want to take a safe, what is it called, a safer TP, you can go to this other low. You can use this small other level here. See this? This is also a very nice TP. Why did I look at that point? There is an other block here. All right, and also we had zones here that have been taken out. So market can also come down to this point and maybe move a little bit up before going down again. All right, this is just a simple setup that one can actually look at. Is very important. So this is just a simple way to trade the double top button. It's nothing too hard. It's not too hard. This is boom 1000, and guess what? It works not only on boom and crash, it works on every indices. Now let us check on the step index so that you get to understand that we are not talking about only the boom and crash market right here. Let's check onto the step index market. Okay, step index. This is step index, guys. So what are we expecting here? This is a daily time frame. Okay, I told you guys this works irrespective of the time frame you are using. So you can use any time frame to do this. All right, you can use any time frame to do this. So what are we seeing here? We are seeing something happening in these places. So we should expect a push up, at least to this level, a push up to this level. Then we'll see, if we see a breakout, we'll have to wait for it to retest and go up, or it can from there come back to this level before it goes up. So these are the conditions, these are things you should look out for. So these are two trades we are analyzing live here on this channel. So if you are able to, if you get to see these charts, to see these trades, right, then you are good to go. You take your entry and make profit. Now look at it also here. We had it also here. Double here is double bottom. That we talked about double top at boom 1000, and here is double. Is it double top or double bottom or triple bottom and all that? Here is it on the step index market. All right, so let's see that you see how it is working perfectly to each others here, and market is just going up and down in this level here, going up and down in this level. At least if you are here and market come down to this level, you should know what to do. You can buy, right? And if your market come to this level here, you know what to do. You can sell, because these are strong places that have been formed already, so you can make a lot of profits on that. So at this point, you came here and you bought with this mindset, but what happened? The market broke down, so your stop loss is just below this low. So you take your stop loss here and you take entry for a sell using the break and retest tutorial we did in the last video. If you didn't watch that video, watch it, how to trade the break of market structure, and you'll get to know why we are going to be entering the market right here. This is a break, and then we had a retest, then a shoot down. All right, this is a break and retest market. Remember, this is a daily time frame. All right, this is a daily time frame, not 4 hours is daily time frame. But now let's go down to 4-hour time frame and see what's happening there. Sorry about that, please. Sorry about that, please. Sorry. Okay, we want to check out this is 4-hour time frame, and we are still seeing the same formation here. The triple double, this now forms a triple bottom right here. So what do we expect right now? We expect the market to come down here again and move up. At least we already have intermediate. This is another level here. So we should, markets already come in this place, so we should expect market to come down again, except it breaks out of this level. But right now we are going for a sell on the 4-hour time frame. We are going for a sell. Now let us check down also to 1-hour time frame. The same thing happening here. You see that this is what happens every day. If you understand this concept, you are going to make yourself good profits. If you understand the concept, you're going to make yourself good profit. All right, guys, this is HumbleFx, and in the next video we are going to talk more about this same tutorial, trading the M or W pattern or something else. Just stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like this video is very, very important, and also comment on the comment section. This is HumbleFx. Enjoy.